Yesterday in class, we created an account on canva.com to use today to learn to import, insert, crop, resize, and reposition multimedia objects in a graphic design project. The project we're creating today is to promote our annual BPA fundraiser. The details for your project are included in a Google Doc on the classroom assignment for today. We're going to begin by I'm going to demonstrate how to use canva.com to customize to fit your needs. So begin at canva.com. Make sure you are logged in as you by checking your icon in the upper right screen. We're going to choose a template. I'm going to create a Facebook post, but you have the option of creating whatever graphic design best fits your vision for our fundraising project. I'm going to narrow and filter by theme. I'm going to choose a marketing theme. I am going to choose this back to school logo because it is a free template. Remember, you cannot use the pro templates and have access to all of them from your free student account. I'm going to customize this template. And the first thing I'm going to do with this template is I'm going to rename the file so I know it's my BPA fundraiser project with my last name. Then I'm going to remove the elements in the template that I am not going to reuse, starting with this backpack image, then also the landscape image behind it. I will not be using this text box that says with new normal protocol. And I am not going to keep this here. I'm going to go ahead and reposition. You will reposition the same way with images. So I've selected the text box I want to reposition. I am going to click and drag it down here to the bottom of the screen. I want to keep this text because this is the attribution that we talked about for intellectual property for the designer of this free template. Now, the first thing we need to do is actually insert a picture. So we're going to go to Elements. We are going to search anything from Canva. Since our fundraiser is a raffle, I'm going to look for a money graphic to include. And once again, you need to make sure that your graphics you choose are free. This one is pro, I can't use it. This one is pro, this one is pro, this one is free. So I'm going to select that graphic and it inserted it into my image. I'm going to click and drag to reposition the image, and I am going to place my cursor over one of the white sizing handles in any of the corners, and I'm going to click and drag to resize that photo. Then I'm going to reposition once again so it's in the center of this part of the image. I am also going to import an image from my computer that's not already in the Canva library. So on the left side, I'm going to go to Upload. I'm going to upload media. I have previously saved the BPA logo to my desktop, so I'm going to navigate to Desktop, select BPA logo, and upload the logo. Now you can see it is in my Uploads library. So I'm going to click on the BPA logo in my Uploads library, and you see it inserted it into the center of my graphic. I need to crop this image because I don't want this part of the logo that says giving purpose to potential. So I'm going to select with the BPA logo selected, select crop. I'm going to select the crop handle with my mouse, and I'm going to click and drag and make sure everything you want to keep is inside of the box. Everything outside of the box will go away when you click the checkbox. Now that that is cropped, I'm going to reposition it again. I'm going to take it over here to this corner and leave that there. So now we have imported our BPA logo. We inserted the money image from the Canva library. We cropped the BPA logo. We resized both the money and the BPA logo, and we repositioned both of those multimedia objects. We can do a little bit more customization to this and make it more our own design. This orange, green, and pink color scheme doesn't really go with my BPA logo. So I am going to click on the orange background, and you can see that there it highlighted the border around it, so it tells me what I have selected. And I'm going to go to the color picker, and I can choose my picture colors from the BPA logo that I uploaded. I don't want one of these picture colors because it's going to make my background really dark, so I'm going to go with white for my background. Now I can change the colors of the individual elements in the logo or in the template to make them match my logo. The first thing I am going to change the color of is the text color of the attribution for reallyGreatSite.com. So I'm going to select the text reallyGreatSite.com, choose my text color option, and I'm going to choose the red from the BPA picture. I now want to change this pink color circle, and you can see because there are two different colors in this part of the graphic, you have two different color choices in your color picker. So I'm going to change the pink color to a light gray, and I'm going to change the orange color to the BPA red. You can continue customizing and changing according to your color scheme. Now also, if I would like to change this font, because I'm going to talk about my fundraiser and not a back to school event, I can select the text box, double click the text, and I'm going to change this to annual fundraiser. And once again, I'm going to resize my text box to accommodate my text, but I'm also going to change the font. So by double clicking on the word that I want to change the font, it highlights the font options in the menu bar. It's currently the Chewy font. I'm going to click the drop down, and I am going to change this to the Nor'Wester font. When I changed the font, it also made my font slightly larger. So once again, I'm going to have to resize and reposition. You will continue working on your fundraiser using the elements provided to you in Canva or online, and the details for the fundraiser flyer in your Google Classroom assignment. Once you have completed your assignment, you will select the download button, and we will download these as PDF prints to submit in Google Classroom as a PDF. Good luck!